a privilege and honor to be part of brand Tissot. My association with the brand has been, I think, a little over a year now. And I think for me now it's not just a brand, but I think Tissot for me has become like family. It gives me great privilege and honor to be part of a brand that has a lot of other international faces like Michael Owen, Danica Patrick, and Nikki Hayden. And I'm even more happier because I think I'm the only Indian face to be part of the brand. The fact that obviously it's top of the line mechanism, but beyond that, I think obviously the way the watch looks, for me as being a woman at least, I think for me the way a watch looks is very important. And also the kind of person that I am. I'm someone who can be extremely feminine and I can be extremely sporty, so I have a watch to go with every mood of mine. Tell you that as a brand, I think we have all ranges. We have watches for women, we have watches for men, we have watches for kids, for all age groups, and we also have different kinds of watches. We have formal watches, casual watches, sporty watches, and what we've just launched today, a very adventurous watch. But on the price, maybe someone else will be able to help you on that. They actually do a lot of research on their watches. In fact, a watch that I was wearing before I came on, they've been working on it. I remember last year when I met them, a person from Tissot was wearing the watch. It was only a test piece. And I said, I really like that watch. And they've actually customized and made that piece for me now, which will soon be available in the market also. And definitely, I'm sure they take my advice. But so far, I love the designs that they come out with. Some of their watches look delicate. They have the delicate range also, but then we have the stronger, sportier watches where I'm sure even if you drop them, nothing will happen to them. This watch I think is extremely unique. It not only gives you the time, which is obviously what a watch does, but it also has a compass. It has a compass, it tells you the altitude of a place, it gives you the temperature and a lot of other features.